Lesson 7.5, page number 531. Name of the section is percent increase or decrease and discount. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take again some of the stuff we'd learned in the last couple sections, put it together, and we're going to do some application problems here. So let's start with just a few examples. Page number 531, bottom of the page, we're going to start with A. Alright, let's look and see what it says here. If a person earns $22,000 a year, okay, $22,000 a year, and gets a 5% increase. So, kind of like doing a plus sign there because they're getting an increase. If they were getting a decrease, I'd put a minus. And what is the new salary? So what we do is we take our $22,000, we take 5% of that and add it to the $22,000 because they're not only making their $22,000, they're getting an increase on top of it, and that's 5% of the $22,000. So if you remember, 5% of means multiply. So we're going to multiply 0.05 times 22,000, and we're going to get an amount of $1,100. Whoops, that's not right. $1,100. So that's the increase. So we're going to add that to the 22,000, and that's going to give us our new salary of $23,100. So when we're doing these problems, you're going to notice a lot of times you're finding an increase or a decrease or something, and then you're going to have to add it to the original amount. So, example 2, we've got a percent decrease. So in 1986, there were approximately 1,793,000 DUIs. By 1997, the number had decreased 17.6%. So I put a decrease there because I know my answer is going to be less than that because it was a decrease. How many people were arrested then in 97? So this is 1986. I want to find out how many were arrested in 1997 with the number of arrests decreasing by 17.6. So in order to do that, I need to first of all find out what 17.6% of this number is. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1,793,000. So 17.6% of, that means multiply. So 17.6%. Okay, in order to actually multiply this, I've got to change that 17.6% to a decimal. So I'm going to put my decimal there and take it away from here because it has to move over to. So 1,793,000 times 0.176. And that gives me an answer of 315,568. Now, what is that number? What does that represent? That number represents how many fewer people were arrested. It's 17.6% of this total number here. So now what I have to do is I need to take my total and number of people that were arrested in 1986 and subtract 17.6 of those, and that will tell me how many people were arrested in 1997. Okay, so remember to do that. Find the percentage and then take that percentage off of the total there in order to give you the current total, or the total that you're looking for in the problem. So, look at example 3. Shoes that usually sell for $25, they're on sale for $21. So this is the original price, this is the sale price, $21. What's the percent decrease in price? The price went down, there was a decrease, you got a percent off, and that's what we're looking for, is the percent off, or the percent decrease. Well, we can't find the percent decrease unless we know the dollar amount decrease. Well, if they were 25 and they were on sale for 21, the price went down $4, right? So we need to find out the percentage of $25 that equals $4. So if we took $25 times our percent, that would give us $4. Or let's just leave it as 4. Okay, so if you remember in the last lesson, we had line times line equals line. Same thing here. In fact, let's turn this around, because remember we did the percent first in the first line times the total equals whatever other number we have. In this case, it's the $4 because that's the discount. So what percent of 25 is $4? So we've got x times 25 equals 4. We divide by 25, divide by 25, and we get 0.16, and we change that to a percent because that's what they're asking for, and we get 16%. So if you've noticed with some of these, or all of these so far, you have to use a little bit of logic, think through it a little bit, and usually not too hard to figure out. Example 4, during a clearance sale, a suit sells for $300. So our $300 is the total price of this suit. So let's just go ahead and do this. $300. That's the total price. It's marked 25% off. So we have 25% off of that suit. What is the discount? What is the sale price? Well, our discount is going to be that. That's how much off we're getting. That's not how much the suit is. We're getting 25% off. So change that to a decimal. And 25% times 300 is going to be 75. So the question says, what is the discount? Well, the discount's $75. And then it says, what is the sale price? Well, the price is $300. And we're getting $75 off, so the sale price is $225. So those are your two answers that you're looking for, the discount and the sale price. So don't forget to read the instructions. Make sure that you're giving them everything they need there. All right, one more here. A man buys a washing machine on sale. Let's just do this. The machine usually sells for $450. It's on sale for 12% off. If the sales tax is 5%, how much is the total bill? Well, let's just find out how much it is being on sale. So that's what we're looking for. I'll let you go ahead and do the multiplication, and you get $54. So that's how much off you're getting on this washing machine. So 450 minus 54 means you're paying $396 for this washer. Is that what we're looking for? How much is the total bill? No, but that's how much we're paying for it. The total bill would be including the sales tax. So now we're going to have to take that 5% sales tax, 0.05, which is the same as 5%, and we get a total sales tax of $19.80. So we're going to have to take that $19.80 and add it to the $396 that we paid for the washing machine, which gives us $415.80. Okay, well that's it for 7.5. Everything in the problems that they're giving you are the exact same ones as I just did. I pretty much did a sample from each section there. So I don't think there's going to be anything that's going to be too difficult there. So go ahead and get started.